Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this video we will see another very important job description, and that is job description of a UX designer. Okay, though I have made job description of more than 300 job titles, that includes their samples and templates as well, like in each and every video. If you want to check out those, I will make sure that I will attach a playlist link for that in the description of this video, as well as you will also find it at the end of this video. Okay, so today we will be specifically concentrate on the job description of a UX designer. Like basically this particular job description of a UX designer, it is not only important from the perspective of employer or a company, but it is also very important from the perspective of employees as well, because in this job description we have included many important roles and responsibilities of a UX designer that helps potential candidates to work on important requirements in order to meet the specific requirement of this particular job of a UX designer. Okay, so basically every job description, it starts with an introductory paragraph, as you can see on your screen, which is also called as a job summary paragraph. And generally it is a brief paragraph, and it states, about a particular job title for which the company is looking to hire its potential candidate. In our scenario, it is for a UX designer. Then, in this paragraph, very important roles and responsibilities are also mentioned by the company, as well as, some important skills to find its potential candidate. Okay. Basically this particular paragraph is a summary of this whole job description, and it includes all very important information about a job of a UX designer. Okay, as you can see in this job description sample of a UX designer that I have prepared for you guys, if I can read for you, we are looking for a skilled UX designer who has a focus on end user ease of use and functionality of the application. The UX designer will work with designers and trend analysts to develop applications that reach as many users as possible. To be successful as a UX designer, you must have expert skills in back-end development as well as a good knowledge of new tools and trends in the industry. Okay, like after this introductory paragraph, all the key main roles and responsibilities, like detailed roles and responsibilities, will be written, and basically all these roles and responsibilities provides like more detail about a particular job. Okay, that must all these roles and responsibilities must matches with the skills of a potential candidate. Okay, like if I can read for you guys, as a UX designer, your roles and responsibilities include to create user-friendly applications. You have to work with designers and engineers to brainstorm application ideas. You have to reflect on data to analyze trends and create test models to gauge user enjoyment. Okay, like I want to add, one important thing about this roles and responsibilities section of a UX designer is that, like although these roles and responsibilities are, very important, and generally these are, part of every job description of a UX designer, but like almost every company, has, different requirements, so they can include and exclude, all these roles and responsibilities section, with as per their own requirement as well. Okay, then we have the qualification, or you can say requirement section. If I can show you guys, there we go. Okay, this is our requirement section here, and basically this section includes the education and skills and sometimes experience requirements that must include in a potential candidate in order to qualify it for a job of a UX designer. Okay, like if I can read for you guys all these requirements. As a UX designer, you must have a bachelor's of science degree in computer science or engineering. You must have a proficiency with CSS, HTML, and JavaScript, proficiency with design software like UXPin, excellent communication skills. You must have the ability to interpret analytics and implement changes to application as needed. Okay, like some job description also includes benefits and bonuses and salaries tab before call to action section, right here in between requirements and call to action section. Okay, since this is just a template, so we didn't include that. Okay, and at the end, the job description ends with a call to action paragraph that states how a potential candidate can apply for a particular job, or in easy word you can say that how they basically approach to HR department for getting more information about this particular job. Okay, so basically a medium of contact is written in this section by a company. Okay, and finally our job description is ended here. I hope you liked today's video on a job description of a UX designer. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material, not just related to these topics but from other different many important career oriented videos as well. So this is the video for all of you guys. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.